Campi Flegrei, a volcanic wonderland just outside Naples, is a geological marvel that holds secrets beneath its surface. This caldera, formed by a colossal eruption over 39,000 years ago, is a ticking time bomb of natural beauty and potential danger. Imagine walking on the very ground that could unleash a catastrophic eruption. Yet here we are, surrounded by hot springs, fumaroles, and stunning landscapes. The area is a living laboratory where scientists study the interplay of tectonic plates and volcanic activity. The last major eruption was in 1538, creating the Monte Nuovo, a reminder of nature's raw power. Today, the region is a blend of history and science, with ancient Roman ruins standing alongside modern research facilities. But it's not just about the geology. It's about the people who live here embracing the thrill of living in such a dynamic environment. They've turned potential peril into a vibrant culture, celebrating the land's beauty while staying vigilant. Campi Flegrei is a testament to nature's unpredictability, a place where every step is a reminder of the forces that shape our planet. Recently, there has been speculation that Campi Flegrei and Santorini caldera could somehow be related or cause a chain reaction. Let's take a moment and explore this possibility. The idea of a chain reaction between Campi Flegrei and Santorini is intriguing, but there is no direct geological evidence that an eruption at one would trigger an eruption at the other. However, there are some indirect ways in which large-scale processes could potentially influence both. Both Campi Flegrei and Santorini are influenced by the subduction of the African plate beneath Eurasia, but they are part of different volcanic arcs. Campi Flegrei is in the Italian subduction system, related to the rollback of the Ionian slab. Santorini is in the Hellenic arc, formed by the subduction of the African plate beneath the Aegean microplate. If there were a large-scale shift in plate movement or deep mantle dynamics, it could affect both regions over long timescales by altering magma supply or stress conditions. A massive eruption at either volcano could theoretically cause regional stress changes in the surrounding lithosphere. A supereruption at Campi Flegrei could alter stress distribution in the Mediterranean region, possibly affecting fault systems near the Hellenic arc. Conversely, a major Santorini eruption could cause pressure redistribution in the broader subduction system, but not necessarily in a way that would immediately trigger Campi Flegrei. Large earthquakes M7 or higher can sometimes trigger activity in distant volcanoes by altering subsurface stresses or increasing permeability in magma systems. If a massive earthquake occurred near Santorini, it could theoretically increase strain on faults near Campi Flegrei. Likewise, a major Campi Flegrei eruption could generate seismic waves that slightly affect stress in the Hellenic arc. However, for an actual eruption to be triggered, a volcano would already need to be on the verge of erupting, meaning it must have magma at shallow depths and be in a critical state, which may be the current state of Santorini caldera today. A supereruption at either Campi Flegrei or Santorini would inject massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, affecting climate and weather patterns. This could lead to global cooling for a few years, potentially altering precipitation patterns and glacial melting, which in turn might affect volcanic activity by changing pressure on the Earth's crust. While indirect, this kind of feedback mechanism could, over time, contribute to changes in volcanic behavior worldwide. So the answer is yes, a major eruption at either of these volcanoes could potentially be able to trigger the other. Although the percentages are low for this occurrence, when conditions are just right, it can actually happen. However, this influence would be complex and difficult to predict. Like and subscribe for more informational videos with Zero Spin.